morning, folks. It's about what, 5 something in the morning now? Well, you can see my face puffy and my eyes. I'm in Jamaica, yeah. I'm in the country, so I'm gonna take this toilet bowl out. From the time this house built, this toilet bowl put down and it never take up. So you know all the bolt that hold it down, right here, they rust out. The tank missing. So you know to flush it is a drama. Alright. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna take it up. But I know it's gonna take a little time to take it up, so we'll see how it works out. And yeah, we bought a new toilet yesterday, so we wanna put it down. Yeah, this is cement, because it was leaking around here, so we kind of put some cement to kind of, you know, pop it firmly, right? Yeah, so we're gonna take it out, put on some new wax ring, and that's it. So as I see right here, you see this top of the bolt messed up, so you can't screw up.
So you're gonna have to break it up.
Yeah, you're gonna just rock it and pop it off. Yeah. So there's a block, and we just think it was the old thing. It's broke already here. So
and the toilet challenge this.
Yeah. I know sometimes the toilet is challenged to use it.
Now you know what? I want the flush down and thing.
We don't want to know. We don't want to know. We don't want to know.
No, man, it broke off like the giant in here. Just getting in here, broke. Oh, that's good.
Man! Get a piece of old cloth, right?
So,
No, go on, cough up that, but I want to smell it. Put that in a plastic bag. You know why it's not leaking? You know why it's not leaking?
never put on good.
Squeeze out the ear.
You never put on top of it.
And then tie it up.
Like it got too far.
Yeah.
Want something bigger?
For the time being, let that go on.
I want something clean out this thing.
Well, you want the gloves, you want some old cloth.
Yeah.
You know, you should have done here. Throw some of the bleach on it first.
I don't want to start to sneeze. Smell it.
Or it could be them
Throw some bleach on. Put on your mask.
on the back part.
Let me get a mask for you.
Can you throw it on it?
Let me just splash so much. I put some bleach.
Yeah.
Room on that? Eh?
You know, lick up over the edge.
Yeah, but no, I see for some more than see.
Over the big room.
What? The
Two something on the two sides.
yeah, they turn.
What is the thing right here?
These.
Oh, am I hard? Come on.
That's some of it. What is it?
Hot. That's it. And what the face it is?
Yeah.
Right. That's right here. The original Jamaican brew.
Yeah.
If them something that come out?
Yeah.
What time? What time is the bike? I made your bike up right now,
No, we want to pop off. Look closer.
Put up the pipe, man. First anything we can try out.
Try it out, yeah. So what's you need for the today, son? Enough flat enough weight, what's you need for the
This may I try. See if we can try.
turn it? But you don't want to break it, right?
No. You see?
Take your time.
I don't want it broke. It all broke.
Leave it,
I
leave it.
left it.
Take your time.
Me say, me don't want it broke. It sound like it broke. If it broke, a problem with but just want to try to get off the whole big enough in the tile, I think.
That can go by
I
it.
can go over it. Me now the tool.
Anything we think there with it.
Well,
We kind of glue it on something, like in between there. So.
yeah. The wax ring, once it's sit level in,
Once you walk away,
it will work. Then we have to see. It have to go back right there, so. You see what I'm saying?
that's it better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You want to screw it up? You want to screw it up?
Super.
Let me chisel it.
Can I rub out some of the rust?
Well, I mean, a lot of me sitting there, tool in that bar. I'm gonna use medical electric thing, the pot. Like this is what I'm going to do. You don't know, so.
That's yeah, man,
So we can cut off the edge them, like, you know, just saw them, cut them off.
The little egg. Oh, the
You know what
outside.
I'm saying?
Good God.
Yeah.
See if you find it outside, right?
Yeah, man. Super.
This have to go back right. Exactly the same time.
Oh, but it can't. I want it. So it's that part of going.
No, it have to go south. No, this is something. Just can't take it. Go in, so it have to go in.
Okay.
Can we broke after? This have to go screw down.
Okay.
This one, alright, you know. But then we don't have the type if we go into this.
Okay.
So that's alright. But still, would I love to get it done in there anyway. So it can sit down by something. Better. It could have worked, yes. But then again, if we go screw them down, you might go maybe in a this. In a this, but they still have to go drill. We still have to go drill it. But still, I try to go line up right over where the hole and they kind of go. Anywhere they may job, I just have to go. Right? Right.
No, for the axle.
Right. No matter man, come on. Come in.
Him saying you can do something different.
You know,
When the plumber come, you can lift up that and make the plumber have the tool for do whatever. What you hear him say?
you know, cut off here again.
Alright,
Yes.
we don't want to cut. You see that? When we put on, you have to have the right fittings. Feet going right. We don't have none of that. So if you pop it off, we still have to go down and drill that to hold it down. So we're going to just put back the tile over that. We can always buy a wax ring when we lift it up.
So on to the wax
We have
ring.
one and we buy one with the tile. So we're going to just put it like tile it over it.
So two you need?
Like that.
Yeah. Because wax ring, it will hold it down.
Yeah, man, they want the wax.
Yeah, because I don't know how children they are use it, so we know, say, you know, you can see it. And once you can leak it,
Yeah.
once you flush it now, you can see it.
How much time am I in here now for?
About
6.
6 o'clock, 6 something. What is it now? Oh, 7. That type of now. No, pull up, let's see the one. No, one here.
Huh?
I don't want him to bring.
One in
More did it.
Where you get this from?
This come with this one?
Yeah, the wax thing, man.
Yeah, mister, this come with. Where you get this
This
one?
other
from?
one, oh, this
Oh,
alright.
no.
Okay, go along one.
Oh,
Look
this
at
come
the-
with the
Look
toilet.
at the bag in there, so then.
Oh, you want the one you bring?
Yeah, one.
See it, Paul. Here.
True beach of map. Oh, what is it? What is it? Watch out. See that, man?
That's something that you want to need? Is it broke up?
Yeah, but
You can't
no,
get
I can't work because if it broke up,
Can't go in there.
I'm right in the center of the middle.
You can't get it out. No, the right thing to replace it, but you can't get out the one.
But this is good. That's good. Let's see, wait there. Put this. So let me hold this. So look at this.
That we just go in and that. Go in and go in and
Yeah, you see that steam, that heat will come out.
I not tell her I
You
know.
need something for it.
I tell her I said that I'm not put something
Yeah,
in
man.
here.
Actually, so that's what I'm telling you, that's something that can burn you up, you know.
Yeah. Because guess what? When you think they have water down there, the water won't down that same thing. Come around. I'm gonna look up this together.
You put it together last night. Carefully, you want that broke off, drop on the bus.
I say.
Come here, carry this.
Yeah.
What? No, hold this down. Hold on here. Yeah.
One day.
Move everything there. Move it. What if you line up there?
Yeah, man. Come.
Line up tonight?
Come back on.
Line up?
Okay. Yeah, that's all. Take the other one.
You did that.
Well, you know what?
The other one in.
The sitting when I put in there, you know, the two, then put it way back, because you see the toilet back, it kind of sets so. You know, you should have come this way. Anyway,
Like it must be braced.
right, put some water guys. Just not leaking around the side there?
No.
Alright. That's it, you know. So I don't know, so when I sit down on the toilet, we take the time, because see, them here should have come up so we can
If anything was wrong with the thing again.
We're not caulking.
Yeah,
You're not supposed to do that. Because you see when you do
no, I'm not supposed to do that.
you see when you do that, and pee and all that stuff, you see. So it stays just like that. Once it now leak. Because once we get up the thing in proper, no rock it in there, make it just sit. So we know, so when we sit down right. Set man.
After I walks, he wait he said, is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Watch me. You get this in it. You get one of these.
Let that connect to
Back
water.
off and turn out. Maybe.
So the water not off outside, right?
Yeah, man, I have it
Listen. Oh, perfect. You got a thread tape?
You want to tape, you know?
You got a thread tape?
No, no.
I make a sew.
Well, look, we wind off that. Then we see.
It's tight, you know.
We see if you leak. Test back the
Alright.
care back that you want to me, man. Yeah, man. Hold him let them mind your papa after that time.
Well, I'm wide, alright. Watch it, me.
Hold on.
Well, carry it over.
Go on, come up, come out.
Watch me, give me space.
Hold the pipe, man. Mind your broken.
Alright, go turn on the pipe. Let me see if water a leak up there. Oh, yeah, man. Good. What is it? Eh?
Yeah, it's a drop.
Yeah, I see some drop in here. Yeah. Yeah. 150. So I say.
You tell you.
Mm-hmm.
I will test you again.
No, not yet, not yet.
Huh?
Not yet. Yeah, screw it.
Well, that's cool, you. You make me test you again before you panic. Panic of everything.
Try it again.
Take time, take time.
Listen, you hear that?
Yeah.
That's it. That have a good change out.
Can't tighten.
No.
Take all that. You're supposed to have a doctor there. Connect it and hold the pipe pass here. You want to see cut.
Go turn on the pipe.
Hold it.
This is the way I take off now. Huh? Are you ready to put it on? No. A cross ready, let it leak, you know.
A little bit later.